In today's video, I'm going to teach you Coinbase where to find Bitcoin wallet address, how to find Coinbase Bitcoin wallet address help. First, make sure you have the Coinbase wallet app installed and updated on your phone. Open the app so we can get started. If this is your first time in a while, it may take a second to load your balances. That's normal. Next, sign in with your account. Use your usual credentials and any security method you've set up. Keep in mind, you never need to share recovery phrases or codes with anyone to find your address. Just log in securely and you're good to go. Once you're on the home screen, look for the transfer option. On most devices, it appears near the top or as a button on the main dashboard. Tap Transfer. This is the section that controls moving crypto in or out of your wallet. From the menu that appears, choose Receive Crypto. We're not sending anything right now. We're simply pulling up the information someone else would need to send Bitcoin to you. You'll now be asked to pick the asset, select Bitcoin. This ensures the app shows a Bitcoin-specific deposit address. Using the wrong asset here would lead to funds being sent to an incompatible address. So take a moment to confirm you're choosing Bitcoin, not another coin or network. After selecting it, tap Bitcoin again to confirm. Some versions of the app show a quick preview and then ask for a final selection. Tapping it again just tells the app, yes, this is the asset we want to receive. You should now see your Bitcoin receive screen. This page displays a QR code and underneath it, your unique Bitcoin wallet address. A long string of letters and numbers that often starts with BC1 or sometimes with a 1 or 3, depending on the format Coinbase generated for you. If you need to share it, you can tap to copy the full address or let someone scan the QR code. Always double check that the address shown says Bitcoin at the top, and consider sending a small test amount first if you're moving a large balance. Remember, a receiving address is safe to share, but never share private keys or verification codes. If your address refreshes, that's okay. Most platforms still credit funds to newer and recent addresses tied to the same wallet. That's it, you've located your Bitcoin wallet address in the Coinbase wallet app.